Alright guys, so today I need to get this freaking lawnmower on this stupid trailer. We're gonna get rid of all this stuff. This is all garbage. It's gotta go, and it looks like shit. So we'll get that started. It's a little early. Never really get started early. I sleep late. Well, when I can. I try. But yeah, this stuff just looks like shit. We're gonna drop off one of these engines at Picknpull, because they got a $50 core charge, but we're gonna get this stupid tractor up there. Alright, so I got all this stuff strapped down, and now we gotta go to one junkyard, drop all this stuff off, and then we hit up another junkyard so we can get our $50 core charge for an engine back. So first we gotta start this thing. I wonder if it's gonna start. Let's see. Oh, let's try to put it in neutral. Oop. Needs a little gas. At least it starts out. I'm gonna have to let it defrost though. I thought I was gonna be able to go. We got a little fuel. We'll make it. We'll make it. Then we come back. So it'll be tight. Alright, peace. Hey, so now we just dropped the core off the other engine with the alternator on it, and they ended up giving me 67 bucks back for a core. So I'm gonna go up the road. I'm gonna grab some gas and a slice of pizza and some food, meaning probably a bag of chips or fucking a candy bar or something. Got my lunch. Yeah boy, 2 baggies of weed. We're back home from the junkyard, got rid of all that shit. Those are engines I had to scrap, and now we're gonna try to get this engine in my shed. And this is what we're working with. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, we got a ramp. I would like to throw wood over it, but I don't really think I got anything like as wide as the door and stuff. We're gonna try to put it in here, and then I'll figure it out later. So we'll see. Let's see what I can do. This is pretty sketchy, but I just hope the ramp doesn't slide out from under me or something, and that I can get the engine on here in the first place. Would be nice to have someone else here, but I don't like to ask anybody. Sliding. Oh, this is sketchy. But I feel it. We're fucking halfway there. That was easier than I thought it would be. These are pretty heavy engines. Ow. Anyways, I still can't close the door. There. Fucker. Ah, that's a big motor. Looks good. Glad I got it. Now, I got the intake manifold. The lady was saying, well, if you're paying for engine with accessories, you get all the accessories. So I went back and grabbed the injectors too. I don't know if these are used in the K-swap, but it's a good idea. I mean, maybe. I don't think you could use the fuel rail, but I think you can use maybe the fuel injectors. I'm not sure. Maybe someone can put it in the comments what injectors you should use. Maybe before I go and look it up myself. Fuck, I just got car parts everywhere. It's frustrating. But I think off that I might just need a throttle body and a map or something. Maybe just use those injectors right there. But I got the shifter box and cables also. But I thought I fucked one up. They're both pretty loose. And they all work, so fuck it. We're going with the 5-speed K24. Got the box, cables, and all that. Now that all this stuff is in here, we can pull my my buddy's black sedan in. All right, we're gonna see if this thing will freaking drive off. It's pretty gross. It's gross in here, man. Oh well, my buddy asked me today if I'll sell it to him, so we gotta get cracking on this car. See if it'll start up. Damn. I just don't make fucking car, dude. It starts rolling actually fast. I just don't know what the fuck. So I was pushed around for a second. I was able to push it down the fucking hill, but now we're in this fucking little predicament right here. So I'm just gonna try to push it from the back. Hopefully it works. Yeah, no, that's fucked up, dude. That's close. I need to just fucking pull this car. Always pretty sketchy doing this shit. If I go too far up the hill, it'll just run into me. Sucks. I should just start it up. Just wasting a fuck ton of time. At least you get to play with the CRV. Yeah, if you guys haven't seen, I did a CRV 5-speed conversion. I don't know if there's that many driving around, but this is the auto thing, and it looks all factory. I got videos of how you can do it yourself and how I did it myself, so I know what the hell I'm talking about. All right. There it is. As good as I'm gonna get it myself. There's enough room on both sides. Yeah, that's fine. Good enough. CRV did good. First, we gotta get these wheels off. Then we can do the axles. But let me know if you guys like this little head mount. I think it's kind of cool. I like to clean this up before I work here. All this sand. So yeah, we'll do the wheels. Oh, Max, what did you do? Yeah, I was gonna get the wheels off. Fuck, Max. We're gonna have to bust that one off. Shit, what the fuck? There it goes. Fuck. That one's already fucked anyway. It's destroyed. I think I got 2 extra studs. I know I got a lug nut too. Look, good one. But that one is fucked up and it's kind of hot. Fuck, I just grabbed it. I'm gonna fucking dump all this oil. Yeah, I'm grabbing it again, dude. I gotta dump this stuff. Anyways. Yeah, we gotta do the battery, we gotta take it out. Axles, exhaust. And it looks like it's just AC. So I don't know, I might have to, I'm gonna try to just unbolt it from the block. That way it'll still have AC when the new motor's in it. That'd be nice. Alright guys, I gotta put everything away. It's starting to get dark and my girlfriend's home and she's got pizza. I'm gonna chill and relax. I think in the next one we'll drain the fluids, get the motor out, I'm in no real big rush.